Hello everyone, welcome to the Backend Development Walkthrough for Impactor project. This is Chandan and along with me Shruti here. We had developed the backend system using Golang and Postgres. In this video, we will briefly go to the backend architecture, authentication system and DB setup and the API key points. Let's go with the task we have done till now, and these are the backend tickets.
So the tasks that we have done in the sprint are setting up the backend project structure, creating user authentication, and finalizing the database schema for the whole project, implementing role-based access control, setting up the JWT token for secure API access, and also implemented database integration and migration. So
So we have developed a schema system design for the whole project based on this, and we're gonna explain later based upon the each sprint. So in this sprint, Shruti and I worked on users thing, so we're gonna explain that.
So for this project, we have basically used the MVC structure. So we have created models, views, and controllers. And this is the project structure shown.
Let's dive into the code base. So we do have user controllers with all the kind of user CRUD operations gonna handle here. And I created DB migration script. So basically, we do have two migration scripts. One for if you want to downgrade that migration, one for upgraded migration. These are the schema designs I developed till now, and it's just created tables in the Postgres. And we do have middlewares with auth.go will handle the JWT authentication, and you can see that in the utils I just added JWT for generating a token and placing the token. We are using a Backend package in the Go for handling this particular JWT token for hashed passwords. And this how we're gonna connect the Postgres with the Golang from the backend. And we have the user model.
Yeah. In the user model, we have created models for like what all the details the user has to take, like ID, email, and full name, role, status, etc. And then have developed the routes for this project. Here we have a few of the public routes and protected routes. Some of them here, like the register, login, campaign, donations, are the public routes, and user is generally a protected route.
So from the front end, like once a user gets login, if they need to get the user details, they have to pass the authentication barrier token in the headers. So it's gonna handle here. And in the user controllers, like where we created all the CRUD operations for the particular routes they shown below. And let's try to go and test it these APIs in the Postman. So these are the proper APIs till now we made. For the registration, let's try to register for dummy email address with test6 and assume that the password is a test6 again. Let's try to generate this and user register successfully. Let me go and just log in with this. When I try to test this, I successfully generated a token. And if I really want to get these details of that particular user in the headers, I have to go ahead and just gonna pass this BA token. And so once I run this, now we can able to see that the one which I created now, it's a test6 and the test6 has a username till now, and it has a ID, it's in UID. So when really gonna generate a unique UID for each thing, and gonna go the status and the role of the particular user. And we also had this update and delete one, which it's working. Let me try to change the test6 user's name to example 6, and let me pass the same BA token, the update. and you can see the user has updated successfully. Let me go and get the user again. Till now we can able to see test 6. Let me try to fetch it from the DB, and you can see the full name has updated. The same way the delete also has integrated. And for the get all users, only admin can able to get all the users. Right now it's currently working, but I have to hard code the user role to admin from the Postgres. It gonna futurely develop it in the dashboards, so where you can able to create a new admin users from them. This is our progress till now, and for the next sprint, like we're gonna work on other models and
Campaign.
other services. Yeah, thank you.